Ethel Chamomile here. So in this Unity tutorial, I will show you how to change the background. The request was to change it to another biome, but I didn't have time to actually draw another biome, so I'll just make it night if that's okay. So here we have the environment, right? I have prepared 3 more assets, sprites called the moon, night scenery, and night sky. So I'm just gonna drag them in, and over here gonna duplicate these two, and I'm gonna rename this night sky, and this gonna be moon, and put the moon over here and the night sky over here. After that, the sceneries, right? I'm gonna block it again. Group them together like so. And this one I'm gonna call night. These two, we can put this. There you go. It now looks like it's nighttime. Well, okay. Next up, we can just. So the idea here is, when we are changing the background, we're going to just change the alpha over here, and it will looks like it's transitioning from day to night and vice versa. Then this over here too. Hold on. There you go. Now it's day, right? So I think I'm gonna need a script for this actually. Hold on. I don't think I do. I can just use this. Actually, this is a good time to show you guys about animation layer. So this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna make another animation over here. 2 of them actually. Scenery. I'm just gonna call it transition day and transition night. Alright. And over here in Animator, if you select background, the one with Animator component, and you see here in the layers tab, you can see the base layer. If I press the plus icon here, we can make another layer. I'm gonna call it transition, and then click here, put the weight to 1. And then I don't think I need 2 of them actually. Transition. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it transition and put this into the transition layer. So we have 2 layers right now. The base has a scenery animation, the one that moves the scenery from right to left, and the transition for the day and night cycle. Now we go back to scene, click background, and in the animation we can do the transition. So what we want is we just gonna record this first, the alpha of these four objects, right? So maybe like 600. So 60 is 1 second. Maybe I want it to change every 10 seconds. So 600. 600. Just gonna copy paste here so that it stays day in the first 10 seconds. After that, the transition should take like 1 second or maybe 2. So 600 plus 120 is 720. Now over here, I'm just gonna edit this value to 1. And 720 plus another 600 is, let's just open the calculator. 600, 1, 3, 20. 20. I'm just gonna copy and paste this. And another, add to that, another 120. 14. 1440. And over here, this is gonna be 0. Now, if we play, I can see that in the first 10 seconds, the scenery will be day, and then it will turn to night, and then stays like that for 10 seconds before it goes back to day. Okay, but as you can see, while previewing this animation, the scenery didn't move, right? Now if we save the project and play the game, the animation should still move while the transition is also moving. At least that's what should happen. Because honestly, I didn't know. I'm just going by instinct here. There you go. Wow, it actually works. Okay, now if we can just survive for 10 seconds. There you go. Ah! I died it. Ta-da! And that is how you make the day and night cycle. The idea is the same. If you want to change biome, actually, just put another layer of no, not layer, like put another how should I put this? How should I say? Scenery object from of the normal one, the previous one, and just change the alpha of the one that you want to change into. Actually, so for example, this is the night, right? So if we just nudge it a little bit over here, you can see that when it changes out, you can see that when it changes, come on, when it changes to, come on now, I'm trying to give an example. When it changes to, oh, come on, when it changes to night, the mountain should looks weird. Hold on, there you go. Now to avoid that, we can easily just hold on, there you go. press the record, we can just make sure that the day sceneries alpha becomes the appropriate one. So this part is gonna be day, so their alpha should be all the way up to 1, and so should it be over here. Just gonna copy paste it, and then over here the alpha should be 0, and just like that, copy paste, and over here 1. Okay, now let's see. Oh, 어찌해주냐? Whoops! Ta-da! So yeah, the idea is like that. It's if the night is like different biome, maybe like a desert or more mountains, yeah, you can just make the alpha of the current biome you want become 1 at that time, and the one you want to hide becomes 0. In case you didn't know, alpha here refers to the transparency of an object. So 2D sprites like this have alpha that you can change. Oh cool! I actually hit that! You know what? Yeah, where is it? Yes, you give a good example because I can't seem to play my own game correctly. There you go. There. You will go to night, and then you will go to day again later. Ta-da! Alright, so that is how you change the background. I should upload this actually. Nope, internet is not good enough. Night. Publish. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope it was helpful. In the next tutorial, I think it's about time that we give it some actual audio. I don't know how to get the audio, to be honest. But I'll try. So it might take some time for me to make the audio. I can't promise that there will be another tutorial like this tomorrow, but it will be soon, and there will be soon after I make the audio, probably like the day after tomorrow. 72%. Yeah, probably like the day after tomorrow. I'm gonna make the audio tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.